Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. I hope you guys are doing okay. Bafana go head to head with Zimbabwe tomorrow, and we are here to do a lineup prediction with Coach Hugo Bros. I'm hoping you guys are gonna drop your own prediction in the comments, lineup prediction in the comments, and also a scoreline prediction. But for you too, as you guys know, this game we have to win. Bafana kumele win a game because you guys know what is sime kanjani in the table. And yeah, man, I'm not gonna try and dive deep into what happened. We all know we played a player that was supposed to be serving a suspension, and then we got punished. So before to now we have a game that we have to win. This one and the next one is Nani Zimbabwe. Let's have a look at the head-to-head between Bafana and Zimbabwe. We've played 4 times, and Bafana has won how many times? 2 times against Zimbabwe, and then 1 draw, and then Zimbabwe yashaya kudala ngo-2013 ngo-2-1. Last year sishayile Zimbabwe ngo-June 3-1, as you guys remember. So let's go and try and make this lineup prediction. Sinabo abadlali bafowethu. As much as sinabo abadlali, I think it's very important that we take a look at the team that is going to be playing tomorrow, because some players are missing. As you guys know, so these are the players who have: Ronwen Williams in goals, Ricardo Goss, Sipho Chain, Malibongwe Khoza, Khuliso Mutau, Aubrey Modiba, Khulumani Ndamane, Mbegezile Mbogazi, Thabang Mathuluthi, Samkelo Kabini, Nkosinathi Sibisi. And then midfielders, Tebogo Mokoena, Siphephelo Sithole, Bathus Abbas, Talente Mbatha. Forwards, Thapelo Morena, Osuna Polis, Sipombule, Ikram Reyners, one of the players who are missing. We go take it, note it. Ulomjida, Evidence Mahopa is replacing Reyners, and then with Ulai Foster, Tsepang Moremi, Mohaungota, Umfukeng Naye is not available for this game. As you guys know, he is replaced by Umtu Shabalala. So Afetu, without any waste of time, let's get right into lineup prediction. So let's go and get this thing done. This is the website we're gonna be using. What the hell is going on? Why is it taking so much of my time? Okay, there we go. We're gonna do, which formation do we usually play? Does Hugo Bros usually play? I think a 4-2-3-1 is the formation that the coach should play for this game, because this formation gives you so many options. Okay, in goals, Bafetu, I don't think we should be changing Ronwen Williams. As long as Ronwen Williams is fit, you know, he's the one who's gonna be played. Ronwen Williams in goals, and then right back, Seila Mutau is back. So let's not take any risk. That's the best right back we have in South Africa. Mutau, Seila Mutau, Khuliso, right back. This is the guy I would play. I don't even have to explain why. You guys know him. Left back, who should I play? We're gonna be in the first half. As you guys know, we have to win this game no matter what. So for my left back, it has to be one guy, Aubrey Modiba. This is the guy that has to play, because we're gonna be attacking. As you guys know, we need all the goals, we need to score, and Modiba going forward, you guys know how important he is, and he's that left back who's very good. Onyaweni, so I don't think kumele kudlale Omyumjita over Modiba. Okay, my center backs, I'm gonna go with a lot of people. I know they're gonna put Usbisi, but I'm gonna go with the youngin, Umbogazi. I'm gonna go with Umbogazi Bafetu, and he has been extremely solid. He doesn't have a picture yet, so take to note it. Okay, Umbogazi there, and then I'm gonna go with Ulomjida. I'm not gonna pay him up with Ubodlela. I think it's important that we pay him up with Ukhulumani Ndamane, because Ubodlela is short. So if we have 2 short defenders, it's gonna be a problem. Ubodlela, Umbogazi are both short. So it's very important that at least one center back is taller And then Kulamane Ndamane also does not have a profile here on this website, but yeah, you guys know these boys. So my center backs are Mbogazi and then Kulumane Ndamane. This duo last time worked very well. So in the middle of the pack, I miss my duo. I missed it. The duo that you guys know. Yaya Sithole is back, and I'm thinking of starting him, but at the same time, I think the coach might start him on the bench because now he has not been playing with the team for some time. But at the same time, man, we need him. Yaya Sithole is quality, so I'm thinking of pairing Sithole, Yaya Sithole. What's his name? Pepelo. Is Pepelo? Sipepelo. Yeah, but for you, what's his name? I don't even know how to write Sithole. There's no way. Yeah, Sithole. Here. Let's go. And then you guys know, this is the duo that I missed. If you have been watching Ibafana, I know you've missed this duo. Ungqongqoshe Mokoena has to play, as you guys know. Tebogo Mokoena. This is the duo I missed it a lot. So we're gonna be attacking. So I'm thinking as my other. Oh, okay. Apolis, you guys know the boy he has been cooking for Orlando Pirates. He has been that guy for them, and we don't have to question him when it comes to playing for Bafana. He has carried us a lot of times, and he has showed Ubuntu Mpubake. And then I think this lineup prediction is easy because I think even here Nkota has been cooking for Bafana, so the boy deserves to start. Last game he was amazing, even though I think this game is going to be very important to Guti Azame ukudlala like the way he played last game, or even do better, because we need impact players who are going to give you goals like the one I was Negalona against that club. That's Lesotho. Yeah, I think Lesotho. So I think it's very important here. Mshishi Ageko, Masonganya Ageko. So I'm thinking, I don't have to think. Master Chef has to play Bafwetu. He has to be the one. Rele is not available, and last time we played Umbule, so I think Umjeta played very well, and I think he deserves to start, and he's just amazing. He's gonna help us going forward, and he's in good condition. Ever since he joined the Orlando Pirates, you can see Umjeta is working very hard, and his structures at Orlando Pirates, I would say it fits him. Okay, up front, Mahopandowski or Life Foster. Hey, Bafwetu, it's very hard to pick. I'm joking, I'm gonna start with Foster, Bafwetu. Foster, I saw Foster. I saw Foster when we played the Lesotho. Indlela wayesebenza kanzima ngayo, doing exactly what we always praise Evidence Makgopa for. This thing of dropping in deep, being able to holding, I would say, what's the English? What's the word? English is sometimes yabalega. This thing of being that striker, I scores drop in deep, sibamba mabola, and combine well with the players who are coming in behind. He did that in that game very well, and it shows that Umjeta is willing to work hard for the national team, and he also got a goal. And I think he's more lethal than Makgopa. As you guys know, Makgopa is very much that kind of a striker that drops in deep and do the assist more than goal scoring. So I think in this game we're gonna need a goal scorer like Ulai Foster. So it's important that we do a lineup like this. This is my lineup. Let me know what you think in the comments. Williams in goals, Mudau right back, Modiba, Mbogazi, Ndamane, and then we have Mukwena, Sitole, Gota, Osunapolis, Sipombule attacking mid, and then we have Life Foster up front. So Bafwetu, you guys are more than welcome to make changes to this lineup, and then also drop your own scoreline prediction in the comments. My scoreline prediction is gonna be 2-0 to Bafana Bafana. So yeah man, like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you on the next one.